All right, hey everybody, I just wanted to demo a interaction that I created in H5P. So this is the well-known TPAC model. What I've done here is one of the hotspot interactions. So as you click on each of the sections, it gives you a description of that section. And I've taken these descriptions right from Matthew Culler's website, as well as the image. So they're all sort of laid out here. So in terms of my learning objective, what I'm trying to do is just express the information, so get them to level 2 understand. So be able to describe and discuss the TPAC model and understand basically what it is and what the different sections are. I really like this particular interaction because it's visual, and this is a visual model. So I'll talk about that in just a second, the different interactions that I tried. But in terms of the psychological or philosophical model that I wanted to use here, I would say it's primarily cognitivist. So I want them to be able to look at the model and remember, understand, explain, kind of build at least the model and understanding of the model into long-term memory. If I wanted to go further and do it in a different way, I could do a more constructivist type thing where I have a bunch of information about TPAC and they can explore it and maybe reflect on it and look at some different research and reflect on it. So that would be a way to take it into the constructivist realm. But in this, I just wanted them to know what it is and understand how it works. So what I was using, and what I still might use, is just a video from YouTube. But I think this is really, really cool because the model is so visual. They can kind of go through the different steps as they want. I looked at doing a few different interactions. And so if we go to H5P, you can see a few different ones I tried. So in this module in my class, I talk about TPAC and SAMR, the SAMR model from Puente Dura. And so I was going to do that in like an accordion thing. At least it has 4 levels. I looked at some of the different ones here, but I went with the hotspot one mainly because it is so visual, and I think that that's a really you can use this type of interaction in a lot of different ways, and I think it looks really good. So I mean, some of these are a little bit more classic web-based. So if you look at the accordion, it's not quite as visual as what I'm getting at. You might be able to add some pictures in there, but this one is sort of visual right from the get-go. It's really easy to work with as well. And here's the example. So that's one I decided to use. I'm going to go ahead and embed this into my blog along with the video. And thanks for taking a look. All right.